Today, we're going to learn about why we should listen to rules. Today is a lovely, warm, sunny day. Maria and her friend Isabel are with the animals at the beach. Maria's dad built a little boat they can sail in. Today, the animals want to play pirates, and they want to pretend to find treasure. Duck is the captain, the boss of the boat.
You can't find the treasure without a map. Aye, aye, Captain Duck.
A few minutes after, Duck told Pigeon where to steer the ship. The pirate crew got lost.
Thanks to Captain Duck, we'll find no treasure at all. Rules are here for a reason. We must follow them to stay safe. Our moms, dads, teachers, and family are giving us rules to keep us safe. When we don't listen to the rules, bad things can happen. You can get lost or hurt. It's okay, Duck. We all make mistakes. Luckily, I have an extra map to follow so we can get back safe.
Parrot followed the map back to the beach. Luckily, there was treasure waiting for them already. We learned a lot about why it's important to listen to the rules on our pirate ship today, boys and girls.